Alright you guys, today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS device running iOS 8.0 through iOS 9.3.6. Now this supports all 32-bit devices running those iOS versions, so that's iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, iPhone 5C, iPad 2, iPad 3, iPad 4, iPad mini 1st gen, and the iPod Touch 5th generation. Now if you're running iOS 9.3.5 or 9.3.6, this is a semi-untethered jailbreak, meaning that each time your iPhone restarts, you will need to rerun the jailbreak using the app on your home screen to get your jailbreak tweaks back. If you're running any earlier iOS version than iOS 9.3.5, this is a fully untethered jailbreak, and you will not need to do that each time your device restarts. Alright, so first we're going to go to this exact URL, jailbreaks.app/legacy.html. It has to be that exact URL. Once you're there, you're going to tap the first option for EverPwnage iOS 8 through iOS 9 jailbreak. Once you tap it, you're then going to tap the install button that pops up after that, and it is going to begin installing. You can now go back to your home screen, go to your second page, and you will see the EverPwnage app pop up as it downloads and installs. And boom, just like that, the EverPwnage app is now installed on your device. You're going to tap to open it. You're going to get the untrusted developer pop-up. You're then going to go into your settings, go to the general section, scroll down to profiles and device management, and you're going to see a profile there for the EverPwnage app. You're going to tap that profile. You're then going to tap the blue trust button and then the red trust button. Once you've tapped trust twice, you can go back to your home screen and the EverPwnage Jailbreak app should now open. Once the app is open, all you need to do to jailbreak is tap the big blue jailbreak button as you see there. You will then shortly after get a storage almost full pop-up. Your screen will go black, you'll get an Apple logo, and once you're booted back up, you should have Cydia on your home screen and you should be jailbroken. Now if the Cydia app is not there, you can try rerunning the jailbreak using the app. But now I'm going to show you the second method to jailbreak. Alright, so the second method I'm going to show you to get your device jailbroken is we're going to sideload it using the EverPwnage IPA and Sideloadly. So you're going to go to the link down in the description. It's going to take you to the EverPwnage GitHub. You are then going to go to the side where it says releases, and you're going to click the latest release. Once you click the latest release, you're going to download the IPA for EverPwnage Jailbreak. Once you've downloaded the IPA, you're going to go back to the main page. Once you're back at the main page, you're then going to go down where Sideloadly is linked under the usage section. Once you click the Sideloadly link, it's going to take you to the main page of sideloadly.io, where you're then going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you're going to download the macOS version of Sideloadly. Once you click it, just click allow and Sideloadly is going to begin downloading on your Mac. Once it's done downloading, just go to your downloads folder and open the DMG file that we downloaded. Then drag the Sideloadly app icon into your applications folder and then close out. Then open Spotlight Search by typing command space and search Sideloadly. Now you'll see Sideloadly cannot be opened. All we need to do to fix that is press done on this pop-up, open system settings, go down to the privacy and security section, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Sideloadly was blocked to protect your Mac, and there's a open anyway button that you're then going to click. You're then going to click open anyway again and Sideloadly will then open. So there we go, we just clicked open anyway. We're then going to put in our password. Once we put in our password, Sideloadly should actually open this time. And boom, we put in our password and Sideloadly is now opening up and getting everything ready for us as you see here. Alright, now that Sideloadly is open and running on our Mac, we then need to connect to whatever device we want to sideload to, and we need to select it from the drop down. So here we go, up to the drop down menu, you're just going to click on whatever device you have connected. In this case, it is an iPhone 4S running iOS 9.3.6. You are then going to need the EverPwnage IPA that you downloaded earlier, so go to your downloads or wherever your downloads are saved to, and drag the EverPwnage Jailbreak IPA into the IPA little window of Sideloadly. Once you've dropped it down there, you should see EverPwnage IPA. You're then going to need to enter your Apple ID email address and your password. Now, this information is only sent through Apple servers, but I do recommend that you use a spare Apple ID if possible to protect your personal one. But you shouldn't run into any security issues by doing this. Once you've entered in your Apple ID, you're then going to hit the Start button. It is then going to prompt you to enter your password in a separate window, and you'll see here it says this info is only sent to Apple servers. Alright, and once you put in your password, it's going to begin installing the app to whatever device you have connected. Like I said, in this case, an iPhone 4S running iOS 9.3.6. And boom, it is done. The app is now on the home screen, as you can see here, and we're able to open it just like that on our iPhone. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Regardless of which method you chose to go with, either the jailbreaks.app method or the Sideloadly method, you should now be jailbroken on your iOS device running iOS 8.0 through 9.3.6. Now remember that 9.3.5 and 9.3.6 are semi-untethered, meaning that each time your device restarts for whatever reason, you need to run the EverPwnage app to re-enable the jailbreak, but you will not lose any of your tweaks that you have installed. For any other iOS version, it is fully untethered. You can restart the device, turn it off, turn it back on, whatever you want, and you will not need to rerun the jailbreak using the EverPwnage app. Everything will stay in place permanently. And that is how you jailbreak your iOS device running iOS 8.0 through 9.3.6, untethered and semi-untethered for 9.3.5 and 9.3.6. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like down below, comment your thoughts down below. If you have any issues, also comment down below. Linked below is my Amazon storefront where you can check out and purchase the products I use every day and would recommend to you. I have a lot of cool stuff on there, such as phone chargers, battery banks, wireless MagSafe battery packs, anything you may need for any of your mobile tech I have on there, as well as the products used to create this video are linked down in the description as well. Anything you purchase I will earn a small commission for, but the product will not cost you anything extra, and that is one way of supporting the channel. Another way of supporting the channel is by becoming a member down below. The prices are very cheap. I've kept them as low as possible to encourage as many people as possible to sign up. It is a small monthly fee that will go towards supporting my ability to keep creating videos like this for you guys. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy Cydia on your jailbroken device, and I'll see you guys later.